Hi there, hi. Welcome to the channel, welcome back to Garage Reviews, and welcome to the video where I am going to be revealing the single most important and the single most expensive purchase that I've made for the channel. And it's of a package that I received on Amazon about 2 days ago, and I'm going to be unboxing it right now. Actually, I've already unboxed it. I'm very sorry, I am immature. I just couldn't wait, I'm really sorry. But it's of GoPro Hero 8. I'm holding it the upside down. It's of a GoPro Hero 8, one of the most basic cameras you would say for that every single YouTuber has, but I didn't up until now. Alright, I'm joking. It's not this, it is one of the purchases that I've made, but the most important one and what this video is revolving all around is of a vehicle that I've bought for the channel, a project vehicle as you may say. And I know that you've already seen the thumbnail. It's looking like a motorcycle. That's because it is a motorcycle, but which motorcycle it is, I'm not going to be revealing that right now. You'll have to wait for, I don't know, about 3-4 minutes more for that. But right now I'm going to be unboxing this GoPro right now because I had to save so much money for this and the motorcycle that is parked down below in my apartments. So I know that I'm late, but still there is a saying in Hindi, and that is "Der aaye durust aaye," which means that even though it's late, but it's still there, so you should be thankful for that. Alright, so and I am thankful for that. So as I said that I've already unboxed this thing. It as you can see, it has a tape over it so that I could just recreate this moment for you guys, because I'm very sorry, I could not keep myself from unboxing this thing the moment it arrived at my house. I'd been waiting for this, I don't know, about 6-7 days before it reached over here because of the COVID situation that is going on right now. But when it did arrive, I did not forget about you guys. I did make a small little video of unboxing it where I am looking like a complete idiot because I didn't even know how to unbox this thing. This is the first time I'm handling any GoPro, so please don't make fun of me in the comments, but it was my first experience. So let's, well, unbox this thing. So I hope you liked that small little unboxing video. For the life of me, I couldn't figure out how to open that battery compartment. But now I have had 2 days with me to know how this thing works, and we are now shooting with the GoPro. Tell me how the video quality is, how the audio is portraying out to you guys, because I am not using any kind of external microphone. It is just the audio from the GoPro, and just tell me how it feels, because the thing is, I am now using this GoPro for every kind of vlog that I'm gonna make, because up until this date I have just made one vlog on my channel, and that is with a Ford Mustang. I was talking about the top 5 features of a Ford Mustang, and the problem with that video was when I was using that current setup I had at that time, well, it was very hard for me to vlog because I was using this kind of monstrosity as an external microphone. Because the thing is, I only had my mobile phone with me, I only had a gimbal with me to start vlogging, and first of all, that gimbal and mobile phone was so heavy, my arm used to hurt when I was vlogging. And the problem is, the mic, as you can see, it's very long. It's a 20 feet long cable, because I'm also making car videos, bike review videos, and for that I need a long wire. But when the camera is at an arm's distance from you, 20 feet of wire is very hard to handle. And so that is why I just needed to have this GoPro. It makes my life so much more easier, and I hope the video quality, audio quality is good for you guys. And also, now that we've bought the bike for the channel, the GoPro is going to help us make amazing videos with that bike. And I know I'm talking about the bike too much, I'm talking about the motorcycle too much, but I haven't still revealed it. I know that I am trying to delay it as much as possible now, but the wait is now finally over. Let's head over to the bike and see what it is. if you didn't catch what this bike is from the cinematics that I just showed you, I hope you like those cinematics. What you think, please tell me in the comments down below. But it's a Honda CBR 250R. Definitely going with the bigger engine, 250cc. That's what my budget allowed, and I went with the biggest engine available for my budget. Then again, it's a 2011 one, to be very specific. Beautiful red color. I just love the color of this bike. Just look at that color glistening in this sun. It looks so good. We have black accents in this bike everywhere. Definitely want to get those matte black, so in a future video, I guess. And yes, I will be posting a very detailed review of this bike very shortly, in which I will be talking about the prices and all that stuff, and where I got this bike from, and how much I got it for, because Honda CBRs are essentially now discontinued into India. So if you want to buy a Honda CBR for your own, you have to buy it used, and how much the market value of all these bikes and all that stuff. I'm going to be talking about that in the detailed review, which I will be posting very shortly. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, definitely go do that. Now a few details of this bike. Now you already know it's a 250cc engine, but a few things of this particular bike is that, for example, first of all, if you look at the tire of this bike, normal CBRs get 140 section tire, but this bike has a 160 section tire. The previous owner had got it much more girthier tire than the original one. But definitely one of my goals for this bike is, once this tread goes off, which I think will go off in the next 5-10,000 kilometers, I'm going to get a much more girthier tire than that. So definitely coming to a future video as soon as that goes off. We have a stock exhaust in this bike. I want to get a external exhaust for this bike, but then Chandigarh regulations here in India are very strict for it, so I'm not sure of that. I'm very sorry if you're triggered for it, but I have to do things legally. And now other changes in this bike, for example, the headlights. The previous owner had got this changed as well. Normal CBRs get halogen bulb, but the bulb in this bike has been changed to an LED, so it throws out white light. And the side lights of the bike, as you can see on this side and on that side, they have been changed to a multicolored thing. I have a remote for this bike which can change the color, but to be very honest, I'm not a big fan of that. I don't like such multicolored things on bikes. I want to keep it plain and simple, so I have programmed it for red so that it matches the color of the bike. Let me just turn it on. I don't know if it will be able to show in the bright sun, but as you can see, that has been programmed red, and this is white light. Now an eagle-eyed person would also look, and that is, this bike has two number plates, over on this side and over on that side. But the thing is, the previous owner had removed this number plate and it only had this one over here. But this is actually not legal. If a police inspector was to catch you with this, he would definitely give you a challan or a ticket, as you may say. So I did want to get this, and it was a high security number plate, as you can see. So this is actually a vinyl. I am planning to get that removed someday, because I don't want two number plates on my bike. So this thing has been changed. A few things about this bike, a few anomalies would be this scratch over here, a few scratches here and there on this bike. It's a second-hand bike, it's a used bike. You actually have to, you know, I was prepared for a few scratches here and there because I was buying a used bike. The second anomaly is of this part over here. As you can see, there is a lot of oil over here. It's been leaking a lot of oil from here. Like every morning I see 2 to 3 drops on the floor from this section over here. But I actually knew about this when I bought the bike, and I got it checked from the mechanic. They said that the engine is completely fine. While driving there by this bike, there is no problem. But this thing, it's a very small thing. Just a washer has been cracked, and changing that would cost me like 100-150 rupees. That's not a big thing, so I will be getting that changed very shortly. And the second thing about this bike, which I didn't know when I bought this bike, is of this shocker. This shocker is actually, the left side shocker is leaking, and it's leaking a lot of oil. So this is something that I didn't know when I bought this bike, but I will be getting that checked out as well. Shouldn't be very expensive. For normal bikes, it's like 300-400 rupees for getting this whole thing filled up. For this bike, maybe 500 or 600 rupees, or maximum 700 rupees. So that's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm hoping for, and I hope that that is the case. Now, this bike is actually my daily driver. For every review, I go for for any car review, for any bike review, this is the bike I take along with me. Now, I am a college student. My colleges are closed because of COVID-19, as I think for many of you it will be as well. As soon as my colleges open up, I do plan to take this bike to my college every single day as well. Now, yeah, definitely if you want to see my college life, like taking this bike to college, attaching my camera to the helmet, and then making a time-lapse video of going to college and how my college life is, if you want to see that kind of a content, please do tell me. I will post it. If you guys want, tell me in the comments down below. Other than that, also do tell me, do you think this is the right move for the channel? I personally think so. I would love it if you guys like this kind of content. Maybe it's the right move for my channel. That's what I hoped for when I bought this bike. And let's see where it takes us. Right now, let's go for a short spin. Okay, so I am here to delay once again. Before going on that small little ride, we need to talk about today's video sponsor, and that is thebestdevices.in. So how many times has it happened with you that you want to buy, say for example, any car accessory or anything for your home, for anything that you want, and you search on Amazon or Flipkart or any online shopping site, and you are bombarded with thousands of different brands that make that same product, and you are just confused on which one you should buy? Well, thebestdevices.in helps you figure that out. They've made a website in which, for example, you're searching for anything. Say it's a car vacuum cleaner, and you search for car vacuum cleaner on that website. It will give you the top 10 listed recommendations for which one you should buy, along with a buying link, so that you can just log on to Amazon, log on to Flipkart, log on to any online shopping website and just buy it off it. They give you the reasons for why they think that is the best based on customer reviews, based on the seller reviews on that particular online shopping website, and it makes your life much easier. I will link them in the description down below. So if you ever want to find any kind of accessory for your car, for your house, anything you actually ever want to buy, well, just check out thebestdevices.in. And now, finally, with that said, let's go for that short little ride. Alright, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, what do you think? Did I make the right decision buying a Honda CBR 250R, or should I have gone for any other bike? What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments down below. Share this video as much as you can. And a red subscribe button push would be a big thing, because we are going to get crazy on this channel with many bike projects coming in and much more fun vlogs. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.